Latest social media updates. Instagram ads following filter in the Reels tab. Threads adds new desktop functionality and the ability to follow specific conversations. Amazon launches new search functions on mobile to rival Google. Google extends lifespan of Chromebooks with 10-year update policy. Microsoft is bringing OCR text recognition to Windows 11's Snipping Tool. Google Search stops showing how-to-rich results on desktop. Google Cloud teams up with Web3 startup to make DeFi mainstream. Google Calendar just added bookable appointment scheduling. Google adds Prime Video and bunch of other stuff to cars with native Android software. Microsoft reveals all 36 titles included in the Xbox Game Pass core library at launch. Microsoft is working on an offline mode for OneDrive. TikTok quietly adds Wikipedia snippets to its search results. Meta announces Conversations business messaging event. TikTok and Billboard partner to launch TikTok Billboard Top 50 chart. Hulu will start telling you what its most popular titles are. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.